That was amazing, man.
I know.
Kung meron lang tayo online palakpakan dito, man. Standing ovation, actually. Palakpakan natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Pinion!
Okay, Kurt. So, Kurt, I'm going to try to read your mind. But ito, mahirap to gawin kasi video, virtual. So, di ba nga, I can read minds too. Psychology, observation, body language reading. But medyo limited yung ano natin. So, I'm gonna ask you a few questions to know a little more about you, Kurt. So, Kurt, do you have a pet? May pet
I don't.
ka ba? You don't? Okay.
I don't.
So, if ever you're gonna have a pet, anong gusto mong maging pet?
Snake.
Snake? Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Snake, what's your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Wow, ako favorite color ko din yung black. Anong genre of music yung prefer mo?
Pop.
Interesting. And if you perform, pag nagpo-perform ka ng magic, ano yung weapon of choice mo?
Cube.
Cube,
Rubik's
okay.
Cube.
Since sinabi mong cube, do you have a cube there with you na pwede mong gamitin? Sige, kunin mo. Yun. So, I want to know a little more about you, Kurt. So, I want you to shuffle it until satisfied ka na. I'm sure kaya mo naman niya buuin ulit mamaya. So,
Yeah.
madali lang sa'yo. Pero shuffle it until satisfied ka na sobrang shuffled na siya. Yep. Okay, so, Kurt, para sa viewers natin ngayon and para sa nakikinig sa podcast ninyo, hindi mo alam yung mangyayari, hindi natin pinag-usapan to. This is completely random, right?
Yep.
Yes. Okay, good.
So,
Kurt,
nothing is prearranged.
Yeah. So Kurt, completely shuffled na yung cube mo. You are satisfied dyan sa pag-shuffle mo? Okay na yan? Yep. So I want you to take a look at the sides of the cube and I want you to pick like your favorite side. Yung side na nag-resonate sa'yo.
Okay.
You have it? Are you looking at it?
Yep.
So please show us. So if I give you a chance na palitan magpalit ng isa dyan, kunyari mag-rotate ka ng isa sa taas kahit saan man, are you gonna do it or not?
I won't.
You won't? Okay, good. Sige, good. So, kasi based sa napinili mong side, it tells a lot about you. So, Kurt, alright, you're a type of person na mas pipiliin mo, sa panahon ngayon, mas pipiliin mo yung love more than anything else or anyone else. Importante sa'yo yung love nowadays. And also, you also choose life. Happy-go-lucky kang tao. Some of the people worry about their future, worry about their past, but you worry about your present. Importante sa'yo yung nangyayari sa'yo right now, present. And, diba tinanong kita kanina, kung may gusto kang palitan dyan, sabi mo wala. It tells a lot about you, Kurt. Kasi when you decide something, you will stick with it, papanindigan mo yun forever. Does that make sense? Yes, sige.
Yes.
Balik mo ulit sa likod, Kurt, facing us pa rin yung favorite side mo. Okay. Yan. So, sana makuha ko to. Kurt, I want you to think of a word. Any word will do. And say yes kapag meron ka na.
Okay.
Yes. Kaya kita tinanong ng mga ilang questions na yun because I want to know a little more about you. And hopefully, malaman ko kung paano ka mag-decide on things. So, I've written something here. Now, Kurt, for the first time, loud and clear, ano yung word na nasa isip mo?
Money.
Yun.
That was dope.
Sige, Joko. I want you to draw like a big square.
Black. Draw a big square. Okay.
I want you to divide it like we're gonna play. Yung inside, i-divide mo siya na parang maglalago tayo ng tic-tac-toe. So magkakaroon ng
3x3?
3x3, yes.
Okay.
I want you to choose one color and say yes kapag nagawa mo na.
Yes.
Okay. Joko, shadean mo yung, di ba meron tayong tatlong rows, di ba? Top,
Mhm.
center, and bottom. Sige, subukan mo shadean yung unang square sa second row.
Unang square, second row. Row ba yung...
Row,
Ano?
yan, tama yan.
Okay.
Second row, unang square. Actually, sige, sama mo na yung second square.
So, second square, second row.
Yes, And pagtapos ka na, just say yes.
I'm done.
Done, okay. Pick another color.
Okay.
Nakuha mo na?
Yep.
Can you please say yes again?
Yes.
Okay, good. Kulayan mo lahat ng square na pinaka-bottom.
Lahat, no? Sa bottom.
Yes,
Okay.
sa bottom. Pinaka-baba.
Bakit ako nakakabahan?
Pinaka-babang row.
Okay.
Okay na? Na-colored mo na yung bottom row?
Aha.
Tatlong squares yun. Pick another color and say yes pag nagawa mo na.
Okay, yes.
Can you please say yes again?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to pick another color to make this random.
Sige. Yes.
Nagawa mo na?
Yep.
Can you please say yes again?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I want you to color the top, yung top square, pinakauna.
Mhm.
Color it. Actually, coloran mo na rin yung pangalawa.
Okay.
Okay na?
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
Okay na? Okay na? Okay. Ito, just to give you a recap, hindi natin alam yung mangyayari. I have no idea. And hindi ko rin alam yung mga kinokoloran mo. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung mga pinipick mong colors. Does that make sense?
That does make sense.
Yes, everything is random, right?
Yes.
Let me see your screen. Let me see your screen.
Ang galing. Sorry. Ang galing.
Can I see your screen?
Yes, I'm gonna share my screen, guys, for everyone.
All right. All right. Two red on top. Interesting choices. Dalawang red on top, dalawang green,
Nakakainis!
tatlong orange sa bottom. Alright. May tanong ako sa'yo, Joko. Gaano katagal na kayong friends ni Kurt?
We've been friends for like 2-3 years na rin.
3 years.
Can you say that you have connection?
Oh naman, for sure. Kasi
Yeah.
he's been my best friend ever since we've been into work eh.
So, everything is random. I have no idea what color you chose. I have no idea kung anong koloran mo. Pero I have a prediction for you. Kurt, do you still remember the favorite side of your cube? Can you please show us?
Oh my God! Nakakainis!
You did this! Ikaw yung gumawa niyan. Kayong dalawa yung gumawa niyan. You remember na siya. Shuffle mo yung cube mo. You also remember na I asked you if you wanna change one side, change another side. But no, you stick with that. And pag may change ka, everything will be different. And ito, random din yung ginawa ni Joko. And look what you guys did.
Oh man.
Oh my
Wow.
God! There's the
Wow.
cube. Sabi ko, shit! Yun na yung nag-react ako eh. Pero grabe!
Parang, oh, man, that was good. That was nice. What Justin did was first he performed a trick for Kurt on the earlier segments of the show. There was a cube with his favorite side, basically, that resonates with him. And this side was the same that matched with the one I drew. So that was amazing, man.
No!
Kung meron lang tayo online palakpakan dito, man. Standing ovation, actually. Palakpakan natin.